Your girl Jasmine. I have another review today. I've never ordered from Temu. I'm going to be reviewing some perfume dupes. So I want to try it out and see if it smells good. Is it worth it? Does it smell cheap? I have the Temu Code. I'll share that with y'all in the description down below. Y'all make sure y'all check it out. This should be a discount code for you guys. Here's one of them. Soft Cloud. It's supposed to be like Ari Grande dupe. This one. Can't read it. I'm gonna put it down below. I don't want to butcher the name. Aquila by Biotic. This is one of the Tom Ford dupes, by the way. Can't wait to try that. So one of the Barcrat dupes here. See that? Rouge 504. But anyways, this is another dupe. Oh, I got this one. Cool Girl. It's supposed to be Good Girl. So this is a dupe for it. I got Bitter Peach. This is like another Tom Ford dupe that I got. So this is the Ariana dupe right here. Soft Cloud. So I'm about to open it. The bottle. How cute is that? Okay. Hopefully this smells good. Okay. It gives like a powdery feminine smell. Very soft, like, I don't know, powdery and sweet. I'm gonna spray it again. It smells really good. Very clean, fresh, powdery, feminine. Smells like I just got out the shower. I'm fresh and I'm clean and I'm ready to go to bed kind of smell. I love that. All right, now for this Acqua one. That's supposed to be a dupe from Tom Ford. Let's see. This is so pretty. Look at this. Hopefully it smells good. Look at like the bottle. Hopefully it smells. Go ahead and smell this one. I don't know about this one, y'all. This one might not be for me. It smells like cleaner for the tub. The suds bubbles. That's what it smells like. The little bubbles that you spray in the tub are clean. This Acqua one. Yeah, I don't know. I'm mad my box is all beat up, but whatever. I like the Bitter Peach color. It's pretty, but let's see if it smells pretty. I'm excited about it. It's from Tom Ford. It's Bitter Peach, so I'm about to try it. I don't know. This one smells a little bit mature for me, so I don't know. Maybe I should just let that one dry up. I don't know. This one's scary. It starts off smelling like real strong alcohol. Anyways, this is Cool Girl. But this one's cute. Look at that. That's cute. This one smells so clean and good. Don't know. I mean, I guess it kind of smells like the Good Girl. Yeah. Grown with money and classy. Yes, I like that. That smells real good, y'all. This is the next one. Yeah, this is what the bottle looks like here. Okay. It smells like money. It does smell good, don't stink. It smells light, not heavy. It smells really good. So I had to circle back around to the Acqua and the Bitter Peach. I wanted to smell the dry down, and I think that it don't smell too bad. It smells okay. The Acqua one is still not for me, but it's okay. But the peach definitely smelled better after it dried. I don't think I'm gonna buy those again. I'm gonna say out of all of the ones that I sprayed, I like this one best. the soft cloud one. I definitely will put that one down. I'm gonna actually put all of these down, so if you want to try them and do like a blind buy like me, this one's definitely safe. Okay, for me it's soft and it smells powdery and friendly, and it smells like everybody will like you and say, hey, what are you wearing? So yeah, this one's a good one. All right, y'all, that's it for today. I'll make sure to look out for some more dupes to share with everybody that's affordable. So that's it from Temu. I will order from Temu again and share with you guys. So let me know what you guys think. Do you have those perfumes, or is there any other perfumes, anything that you want me to try out? All right, I'll see y'all next time. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.